Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create citation using Grammarly on your iPhone in very simple and easy step. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Grammarly app. Open the document where you want to add a citation. In the bottom right corner, you will see a green circle with a sparkling icon. This is the Grammarly assistant. Tap on it to open more tools. When the assistant panel opens, scroll until you will see an option called citation or citation tool. Tap on it. This feature helps you to create citation in style like APA, MLA and Chicago. Now select what type of source you are citing. For example, website, book, article, YouTube video or another source. Tap on the type of source you want to cite. You can paste a link, type a little or enter details like another or author or date. Grammarly will automatically fill the citation for you. Once Grammarly generates the citation, tap copy, then go back to your document and paste it wherever you need your citation or reference. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.